Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 7. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Nillkin CarboPop case for the Z Fold 7. I need to give a shout out to them for sending this case out to me for a review. I'll have the links in the description. You can pick it up from their website. They have a bunch of deals going on, like saving 40%, so go check it out. Also, they sent me out a couple other cases, this cam shield prop case, and then also this super frosted shield case, which I will be reviewing in separate videos. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? How strong is the magnet on here? Does it add bulk? How good is that aramid fiber? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. I was looking at this case earlier, and it does not come with the front piece, so it's just the back piece on there with hinge protection. So it is what it is, but nice presentation from them. I have never used Nillkin before on any of my devices. I'm excited to use them because they do look like they make some great cases. I mean, this is a nice looking case, that carbon fiber look. You have the accessories there, the MagSafe in there. You do have a camera cover that acts like a kickstand. You have hinge protection there. And then you have some grip too on the sides. So if you need a case, or you expect the case to have the front piece, then this case may not be for you. The first thing you're going to notice, yes, you get camera protection. Even if you open that up, you have a lot of room in there for camera protection. And then you cover it, you have camera protection all day. The only thing with these covers is if you have a grandbaby or even a daughter or son and you're trying to take a picture really quick, you don't have to open it up, you know, and get it out the way. That's the only thing gripe I have with those type of cases. Everything lines up at the bottom there and at the top. I like how they have the vine rockers covered up. The power button is easy to get to. The vine rockers are nice and tactile. You have that hinge protection. Bam. And it works good too. One thing you're going to notice, it does cover up your display a little bit. And then the second thing is that it's on here pretty good. You do have the adhesive strip that's right here to hold it on a little bit extra. But not a bad case. Doesn't add bulk. Even without the front thing, it's not a bulky case. Except for the camera cutout piece. But overall, it's not bulky. But that camera cutout does add some little bulkiness there, but overall it's not like a heavy case. All right, so let's check out how you can use this as a kickstand. Let's see. So you can use it like that or like this. Can you have it set up? Like that, really. Or like this. That's probably the best way of doing it, because it won't rock as much. Now it's a little rocky though, but it can be used as a kickstand. It's a little rocky though. A little rocky, but let's see. More like that. So you have different angles. Bam. How strong is this magnet, and can you wireless charge? I don't think you have a problem while it's charging. No. And then the magnet. Okay. That is pretty strong. Yeah, that thing is strong on there. The magnet is really strong too. Okay. I've never used them before. So the one thing I noticed too is you go and get fingerprints on the cover because it is like glass there. Bam. What y'all think about the camera cutout? Do y'all like these little covers there or not? Y'all let me know in the comments. I like the grip. I love the grip that you get on this case. So this one checks off some boxes for you. Yes, it's missing the front piece. That could be a downer for everybody. But you have some grip. You have hinge protection. Everything lines up. The buttons are nice and tactile, easy to get to for the power button. It looks great from the back. I mean, look at it. It does look like a great case. It's also very lightweight and not bulky, besides that camera cutout. You have a little kickstand that you can work sometimes. The biggest gripe, I'm going to say, would be the not having a front piece. That would be the biggest gripe for anybody. And the magnet is really strong. So if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from their website. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Stay tuned, I will have more cases from them coming up. Follow me on Twitter, become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace, I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.